Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make my no nacho nachos as promised. I'm going to use the Flavor God Taco Tuesday seasoning, some delicious ground beef. I always saute my garlic first. It just kind of brings out the flavor of the garlic better if you do it this way. I've got quite a bit of garlic in here, but I love garlic. Obviously, you can use as little or as much as you want. Here is the Flavor God Taco seasoning, 0 carb, good ingredients. We'll see how it goes. It says to shake well, so make sure you do that. Shake it up. Now I'm going to cook my meat first before I put any of the seasonings in because I want all that grease to come out. That just makes the seasoning kind of go on better when the grease is in there. While I'm waiting on all that meat to cook, I'm going to chop up my onion over here. I love onion. I've been known to eat too much onion, but I'm trying to cut back. I do love them on my nachos though. You got to watch these onions. The carb count will add up if you don't pay attention, so just FYI. And now I'm going to put all of my scraps in our compost bucket for the chickens and chop, 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 chop. So it looks like our meat grease is good, so I'm going to go ahead and add some taco seasoning. I ended up having to open the big part because it wasn't coming out fast enough for me. So I opened it up and poured some in there. I'm not really sure how much, I just eyeballed it. And now I'm mixing it all up real good. It's got a good color to it, but now the taste test. So it did not taste exactly how I wanted it to taste, so I added some Redmond's real salt, the seasoning salt, and then I also added some ground cumin because I really love cumin in my taco seasoning. And now I'm going to chop up some tomatoes from our garden. That one looks a little bad. And we are going to put those in with our onions. Now I'm just putting some smoked Gouda cheese in there. You can use whatever cheese you like. I just really love smoked Gouda, and that's what I had handy also. So that's what's going in there, and then I'm just gonna mix it all up together and it'll be ready to eat. So here is the final product. It tasted delicious when I got done with it. I did have to add a significant amount of salt and cumin to get it to taste the way I wanted it to, but that's all subjective. So that is my nachos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Love you, mean it.